Hey YouTube, it's Logan right here, back at it again with another video. I'm with the Improvement channel, and today we're going to be doing a follow-up video to these motorcycle mufflers. So this is a part 2 video. If you haven't seen part 1, scroll down in the description. I have a link there. Also have the link to all the products used in that video and kind of a little brief step-by-step instruction. Alright, so we've been getting a lot of questions of what this looks like after it's been on the bike for several months, getting hot and cold when the bike's on and off, heating and cooling up. So really no chips, no paint peeling off. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers had some issues with that, or people on forums. A lot of this paint peeling off, but the real key to it is just preparation.
Oh, okay.
So we were getting a lot of questions of how well this held up. So there's really no paint peeled off, no chips. We followed all the directions on the can. I think prep work's the key to this sticking on the bike. It is designed to heat up and cool down. But a lot of people I was watching on YouTube, they at best maybe clean the surface, maybe wiped it with some wax and grease remover, and then shot their final paint on. But if you'll remember, we took it with an 80 grit all the way up to an 800 grit wet and dry sand. So I think that was the key. We also did primer. I didn't see anybody else using this primer, so really I'd give this product a 10 out of 10. I'd use it on any other high temperature application project I had coming up. So if you want to take a closer look here, we'll kind of show you the finish. One of the important things to do when you're wanting a finish like this to stay on a bike is to follow the instructions on the can and bake it. So if you remember, the can recommends for you to bake it while it's off the vehicle at 250 for 30 minutes. You're then going to let it cool for 30 minutes. Bump it up to 400 and again cool for 30 minutes, and finally up to 600 and let it cool for 30 minutes. So I didn't see anybody else on YouTube do this. I think that's what helped keep this finish on. So this is a great finish because it's going to help protect it from rust, and as you can see, it really covered up all the scratches that were on the bike before. This really doesn't look like it was ever wrecked. So it does mask all the imperfections. Alright, thank you guys for watching today. If you have any questions, just remember to leave a comment. We always answer all of our comments. Like and subscribe to this video, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time on the Improvement channel.